Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a quality truck like this 2018 Chevy? This is a Silverado 1500. Stock number is T02616A. Take notice of the exterior condition. We're going to slide right down here on the passenger exterior and show you exactly the condition of this truck, up close and personal with the Z71 package, LT edition. It's got the bed liner, of course, rear power slider. Love those rims and tires, side steps, of course. Traveling with friends or family, let's take a look back here in the exterior. The interior rear, I should say. Lots of ample legroom. And of course, no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. All power options, power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, you got it. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just can't beat it. We offer more here at Sunset Ford. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.